What's going on right now is everyone's doing planting seedlings and seeds to help grow the gardens and actually contribute to the community.
Rachel, why did you get involved in this garden?
Because first I saw a friend working here, and that made it more comfortable for me because I'd been looking at the garden and wanting to participate, but I didn't feel like it was that accessible to me. And then I saw a friend working there and I was like, okay, now I can do it. And I kept working because it's really relaxing for me and calming to be able to just come here, even in the middle of school, just come here on my break and work with the plants. There are beans and carrots and rhubarb, and there's onions and basil, and snapdragons, which are an edible flower, which are really good actually. And then in the K garden, which is the herbal medicine garden there's sorrel, which is this thing that looks like lettuce but tastes like lemon, and it's really interesting. It's really good.
Well, we planted this garden to give back to the students. Gabrielle will be using everything that we've planted at the cafe, and it's going to be delicious and spicy and fruity and savory.
We're actually building a water gutter system, which is actually going to collect rainwater. So when it rains, it's going to be able to collect the water, and it's going to go into the barrel, and then we're going to be able to collect the water and reuse it to water the plants and anything we need in the gardens here.
I feel like it's important to encourage gardening at Vanier because basically gardening is our future. I mean, it's community, right? You work together, you build something together, and I think that's important in our society to be less individualistic and to share with one another, and it helps us grow, basically.